Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an EDU email. Let's begin. Now, first of all, we need to discuss what is an EDU email. So basically, it is a student or staff email address issued by educational institutions, usually colleges or universities. Now, these are super useful because they often give you access to student discounts, free software, and premium trials for big brands like Microsoft, GitHub, and Adobe. Now, if you ever wanted to know how people get one, there are a couple of ways to do it. And number one option is you can go to this specific website called Neo. And then I want you to click the Get Started. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page wherein all you have to do is very simple. Provide your full name, your existing email address if you have it already, and then you need to set a strong and unique password. And I want you to click the Create Customer Account. And from here, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. All right. Now, the next option is you can go to this another website called eduemailfree.com. Now, similar to the first method earlier, just provide your username, and of course, you can choose from any of the following extensions for your free Edu email, and then click the Create button. After that, you all have to do is provide all the information needed, and basically that's it for today's video. Now we have successfully created your very own .edu email address. If this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.